Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. In this situation, we can use about complementary solution and particular solutions. So I will go to complementary solutions in here. In this one, I will put about yc. yc in here, I will put about e to the power of lambda s. Next one, we do first the derivative of this one. So we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Now, if I do second derivative, so we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. So because this is about complementary solution, so this one equals to number 0. Now we put this one to replace for second derivative, this one for first derivative, and this one for original function. Next, we need to do factorization. So we put this one like this, and we will have about lambda square plus 3 lambda, and we have number 9. So we need to find the solution of this one, and we have two solutions. The first one, lambda equals to negative number 3 over 2 plus 3 multiplied by the square root of number 3 over 2 I, and we have the second solution in here. That's about negative 3 over 2 minus of this one. And now we have yc equals to c number 1, that's about constant number 1, multiplied by e to the power of this one. We put in here, and we have c number 2 multiplied by e to the power of this one. And we just finished about complementary solutions. Now I will go to particular solutions. About particular solution, if we look on the right of this equation, we have 12sinx plus 9x. So in this situation, I will put about yb. That's about particular solutions. That I will put about a sin x plus b cosine x plus dx plus e. Because we have trigonometry, so we need to put about sin x and cosine x. Because we have s, so the highest in here is about s. Later that we need to reduce the power. Now, if we do first derivative of this one, we have a cosine x minus b sin x plus d. Now, if we do second derivative from here, we have negative a sin x minus b cosine s. And now we put everything go in here. Second derivative, we change for second derivative in here. First derivative, we change for this one, and y we change for this one. So I will put this one go in here. First derivative we change for this one, and y we change for this one. Now we need to arrange based on the term of sine s, cosine s, and the value in here. About sine s, we have negative a, negative 3b, and plus 9a. About cosine s, we have negative b, negative 3, positive 3a, and we have 9b. The next one, we have ds, and the last one we have e plus d equal to 12 sine s plus 9s. And now we create the system of equations. So we have sine s, we have number 12. That means this one equals to number 12. This one we don't have cosine s. That means this one equals to number 0. D, we have 9. D equals to number 9. E plus D equals to number 0. And now we have the answer for A, B, D, E. So I will put about negative A, negative 3b plus 9a equals to number 12. Negative b plus 3a plus 9b equals to number 0. The next one, d equals to number 9. And the last one is about e plus d equals to number 0. Sorry, I need to edit about this one. We have number 3 with d in here. Sorry, 3d we put in here. 9e we put in here. And we have 3ds. So this one we have 3d. This one we have 9e. And we have number 3 in here. This one is about 9. Sorry, not 3. And now we can find the solution of A, B, D, E. A is about 96 over 73. B, that's E, about negative 36 over 73. D, that's E, about number 1. E, that's E, about negative 1 over 3. After we find A, B, D, E, we can put this one go in here. So A is about this number. B, that's about this number. D, that's about number 1. E, that's about negative 1 over 3. And now we can get the final answer. So we have y equals to yc plus yp. Yc, we have this one. And yp, that's about this one. And this is the answer for the question.